So these are the new Pandora H350 RGB headphones from Redragon. They bring good sound and above all they are pretty affordable. Hi guys, I am Vlad, welcome to my channel and let's see how good these are. So this headset is entirely made of plastic, including the inner band of the headband, which is reinforced with aluminum metal band. The ear pads are padded with 2 cm thick springy foam and covered with perforated PU leather for ventilation, which makes them less heat prone than other similar headsets like the Helios H710 or H510 Zeus. The ear pads have a wide oval shape with their inner hole opening 6 cm high and 4 cm wide. There is a 2 cm depth to the driver, which is covered with thin fabric, so no worries, the whole ear will be covered and you would not feel any discomfort wearing them. The outer dimensions of the ear pads are 10 cm high and 8 cm wide. There is a good amount of clamping force to hold the weight of them, and they weigh 358 grams, that is including the boom mic and the cable too. The headband is padded all around and covered with stitched up leatherette that spruces up the look of the headset. There is an elegant Redragon etching on top of the headband, while the underside of the headband is lined with comfortable foam padding which is some 1.5 cm thick. The headband has a wide frame that extends onto the yoke of the headset, holding the ear cups via plastic hinges. The ear cups have up and down tilt movement up to 15 degrees, but there is no swivel motion, so they cannot be rotated flat for transportation or if you like to rest them on the neck. The shell of the ear cups is made of hard plastic, aside from the front panels, which feature a perforated anodized metal grille mesh. Since the Pandora headset is a closed-back headset, the metal grille is just for decoration purposes, although it does have the purpose of protecting the RGB lights inside the ear cups. In the center of the ear cups there is a Redragon logo, which is white LED illuminated. I mean, you can turn off the RGB if you don't like it, somehow everything comes with RGB nowadays, so it has become sort of a standard now. The headset has a single-entry non-detachable audio cable attached to the bottom of the left ear cup, just below the microphone port. The cable measures 1.8 meters long and has a braided nylon fabric sheet, along with a rubber sheet for the split cabling section of the cable, which measures 15 centimeters long. The cable ends into a dual connection USB-A that is used to power the RGB LEDs and 3.5mm jack that carries the audio signal. So again, the USB-A connection is not needed in order to get the audio. You can in fact leave the USB-A connector unplugged, although the remote controls does have a physical switch to manually turn off the RGB light. So the 3.5mm jack has a TRRS design, so it can carry the microphone signal too, hence you can accept calls when the headset is connected to a cell phone. The remote control is located in line with the cable and it's pretty sizable considering it only has 3 functions, so check out how big this thing is. So here we have a mic mute switch, RGB power button and volume control wheel. So even bulky in size, the remote control will not weight the headset down. It's made of light plastic, it weighs only 15 grams. It's located some 50 centimeters inline the cable, so the remote might be dangling around if you wear them, or you can simply rest it on the table when playing games. So the microphone arm measures some 13 cm long and weighs only 8 grams. The boom mic is detachable and features a thick square plug that fits snugly and securely into the recessed port of the headset. It's made of a semi-rigid rubber sheeted cable that bends a bit, although it doesn't bend in place like boom mics with memory wire. It's attached to a hard plastic housing containing an omnidirectional microphone capsule. The microphone has a clear and natural pickup with very little background noise picked up, thanks to the built-in noise filtering and included foam windshield. Ear cups have a huge 50mm dynamic drivers with low impedance and high sensitivity, which allows a decent amount of high volume output. They have very detailed and wide stereo sound reproduction with superb bass, although the sound is not as immersive as the Helios H710. You can also check my review of them in the corner. So once again, like in every headphone review, I have to repeat myself, it's hard to explain how they sound, as this is a completely subjective thing. But in my opinion, these are gaming headphones and they have to be looked at like that, so while gaming sound is more than okay, maybe lacking a bass here and there, but for music sound is lacking mid-tones, but as I said, these are purely gaming headphones, so this is understandable. Oh, and it's worth mentioning that they do not require any additional software, so they are just plug and play. So this would be how the microphone sounds. Please let me know in the comments what you think of it, and it's also safe to wear glasses if you wear these headphones, they won't get in your way. Thanks to Redragon for sponsoring this video, thank you guys for watching, please subscribe, like and share the video, and I'll see you in the next one.